To understand how we got here, confused, fearful, and under-supported during perimenopause and menopause, we have to go back to the 1990s to a massive study called the Women's Health Initiative, or WHI. The WHI was designed to answer a specific question: could hormone therapy help older, postmenopausal women prevent chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, and osteoporosis? It was not designed to study symptom relief, quality of life, or women in early menopause. The average participant was 63 years old, often 10 to 20 years past menopause, and many already had cardiovascular risk factors. There were two arms to the study. One group of women who did not have a uterus received progestin only, and the other arm received estrogen and progestin. The WHI did not use the hormones most women use today. It studied conjugated equine estrogens and medroxyprogesterone acetate, a synthetic progestin, not bioidentical progesterone. These hormones behave differently in the body than bioidentical estradiol and progesterone, but that distinction was ignored in public reporting. In 2002, early results from the synthetic estrogen plus synthetic progestin arm were released abruptly. Headlines declared hormone therapy dangerous. Fear spread quickly, doctors stopped prescribing, women stopped taking hormones, often overnight. Yes, this arm did show a slight increase in breast cancer incidence, although no increase in mortality. But the increase was small, it was not statistically significant, and it involved a synthetic progestin. Studies of bioidentical progesterone do not show the same breast cancer risk. Now here's a part that was entirely ignored. The estrogen-only arm told a very different story. Women using estrogen alone, even this synthetic estrogen from the urine of horses, showed no increase in breast cancer. In fact, a decreased risk of breast cancer was shown, plus improved bone density and fewer fractures. And more telling, later analysis revealed that when hormone therapy is started closer to menopause, cardiovascular risks are far lower, and hormone replacement therapy may even be protective. In summary, the wrong hormones were used in the wrong population at the wrong time, and the results from this extremely flawed and misreported study were used to guide care for all women. The fallout was enormous. Menopause education stalled, hormone therapy became synonymous with danger, doctors were taught to avoid it, women were told to just live with it. Not because the science was settled, but because it was misunderstood, oversimplified, and sensationalized. And we're still living with those consequences today.